This is the side view of the sharpener, and while we are rotating from the right to left, this is the front view of the sharpener. So in this picture we can see that side view of the sharpener, this is the top view of the sharpener, and this is the front view. Now we can observe the isometric view, that is the three-dimensional view, left side view, front view, and top view. Some of the dimensions are given here. So according to these dimensions, now we are going to draw the isometric view of a sharpener. So before drawing the isometric view of the given figure, for a given side view, front view, and top view, first we have to draw the x, y, z axes. The z axis represents the height of the given object, and y axis represents the side width of the given object, and x axis represents the front width of the given object. Here the front width of the object is 19 mm, side width is 30 mm. So for the given 19 mm front width, 30 mm side width with a height of 20 mm, now I am going to draw a cuboid. So now I am drawing right side vertical line from the front view. Now left side top line, and this is a top line from the front view. Now just we are projecting the backside line, which is from the top left to backside corner, and now from the front to top right side corner we are projecting to the backside. That coinciding points will gives you that backside top right corner. So by this we have completed a cuboid. Now the backside corners, top corners, are in the curved shape, which are, that curve is about the 7 mm, that is the curve is about the 7 mm radius. So backside top corner is about the 7 mm radius curve. So for that, from the corner I am taking 7 mm both sides. Then after I am joining these two, which represents a curve, that is the backside top line completed. Now coming to the front side top corners, left and right top corners, which are also a curves with a radius of 2 mm. So we are drawing the front side left to top corner and front side right top corner. Both are with a 2 mm radius. Then after left side top line and right side top line are not a straight lines, which are a curved lines, which are 1 mm inside from the edge lines, which are represented in a dotted lines. So we are taking 1 mm inside and we are drawing a curve for both sides. Then from the top edge lines, now I am taking downwards. The height of the object is given 12 mm. So from the back left top corner and front left top corner and front right top corner, I am making a points in the downward direction of 12 mm distance. Now I am drawing a reference lines which are passing through these points, and after that I am maintaining a curve which is already drawn in the top. In the same way we are drawing in the bottom also. After drawing the curve, now draw lines from the top edges to the bottom edge. The left side top edge line is not a straight line, it is a curve 1 mm inside. Similarly, for bottom also, the bottom edge line for the left side and right side, it is an arc 1 mm inside to the object. So which is previously drawn in the top edge, same we are drawing in the bottom also. So I am taking 1 mm inside from the front and back, and also from the left and right side. So I am drawing this 1 mm thickness which is shown from the top view. So I am drawing this on the top edge. The sharpener blade is not placed horizontal. It is not exactly horizontal, but it is inclined downwards towards the back side. So the depth is around the 5 mm. So here that depth which the sharpener blade is located, 3 mm distance from the right side, and the thickness of the blade is about the 5 mm thickness. The sharpened area of the blade, that is about the 2 mm. This gap is 3 mm, and next the gap from the left side 4 mm. So enter is, that is about the 19. We should draw the curves at the corners similar to the top edge corners. The thickness of the sharpener walls is 1 mm, so means left side 1 mm, right side 1 mm, total is 2 mm, and the gap for a blade locating point from the right side is 3 mm, and the blade width is 5 mm. Next the sharpened area of the blade, that is about the 2 mm. This gap is 3 mm, and next the gap from the left side 4 mm. So enter is, from the left side that is the 4, and from the right side that is the 3. So enter is 7. From the middle portion from the blade the gap is 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Sharp area and width of the blade enter is 7. So 10 plus 7, 17. The thickness of the sharpener walls is 1 mm. Left side and right side, that is 2. Means 17 plus 2, 19. Front width is 19. Now this the blade which is inserted in the sharpener is completed. So this is the sharp area of the blade. Now hole for the insertion of the pencil, which is located front side of the sharpener. The dia of the hole is 8 mm dia. And now this is the screw fixing the blade to the sharpener. 3 mm diameter screw. After finishing this, I am making this all the main lines with a black sketch. Then on the left and right side of the sharpener, vertical lines are there. So these vertical lines are around less than 1 mm. So after finishing, this is the isometric view. We can observe the actual sharpener which is placed beside the drawn isometric view of the sharpener. So it is exactly matched to that drawn figure.